People have asked me for my resources, and I've always explained that I try to get the authentic website wherever you may be located. They have great websites on mental health, but one of the favorite book and something that I've studied is this Introduction to Psychology, and I try to get everything I can from this book, and it is so amazing I cannot even explain. Anything has helped me in my life, then I feel obligated to give it back to people who actually need that help. Post-traumatic stress disorder should be taken very seriously because it can disrupt your whole life. Someone with PTSD often relives with the traumatic event through nightmares and flashbacks, a disorder that can develop after a traumatic or stressful event. Remember, it can occur in all people of any ethnicity, nationality, culture, and at any age. A lot of people go through traumatic experience in their lives. A lot do. Some share, some don't. Some seek help, some don't. For some people, symptoms of PTSD subside over time, while others do get better with the help of their support system. Regular therapy, medication, meditation, and lifestyle changes. Let's be real. Most of us have gone through different traumatic phases in life. Even though things do get better eventually, you still get flashbacks every now and then. It's not easy. It's not easy at all. There are a lot of triggers. These can be like sights, sounds, smells, feelings, or memories connected to your trauma. Let's talk about scents. These are strongly tied to memories. Have you ever smelled a perfume that takes you back in time and you go really back in time? Something you smelled a long time ago and then you get to smell it after years. Sound, for instance, music maybe. You hear something that takes you exactly back in time where you used to hear this, and that feels like you're reliving in the moment. PTSD is all about stressful, traumatic, or upsetting situations. Smell or sound can trigger you big time. Symptoms can be so severe and it can interfere with the person's ability to work or function in daily life. Hence, PTSD is real. Let's discuss symptoms. What happens to you when it happens? Racing heart, excessive sweating, brain goes through a state of alarm, nightmares, dreams related to the event, every now and then having the distressing thoughts. You experience negative thoughts about yourself. You tend to blame yourself quite a lot, knowing you did not have a choice, yet you blame yourself. Having ongoing negative emotions such as fear, anger, guilt, shame, feeling fearful at all times, just thinking about what if and what if. You lose interest for things you used to enjoy before, and also becoming an introvert. So the bottom line is, how can we get help? Number one, it's very important, and I cannot stress enough. Get professional help. I've always emphasized on it. It genuinely helps. One of the therapy, EMDR therapy, eye movement desensitization and reprocessing. The focus is on changing emotions. It's very effective psychotherapy method to recover from trauma and other distressing life experience, including PTSD, anxiety, depression, and panic disorders. So what happens is trained and licensed therapists, they work with you to revisit the traumatic moment or incident, recalling feelings surrounding the experience. This can be done using various technologies by focusing on something external while dealing with the internal material. Number 2, meditation. Breathing, exercising, yoga. The focus is on your breathing. It's all about practicing mindfulness. Number 3, when in stress, we gravitate to sugar and processed food. It's a quick fix. However, this can create sugar spike. Number 4, try to be in the moment. Every time you get distracted or go back in time, bringing yourself back to now, and it's all about now. Number 5, comfort yourself. Tell yourself that the sensation you're experiencing aren't real. It's not happening at the present. These are just the memories that you have, which was in the past. Let me conclude by saying you're not alone. We're human and our emotions go through a roller coaster every now and then. But with proper treatment, this can be effectively controlled. Don't let one setback ruin your aspirations. Life is short and we have to live our life to the fullest. Take charge of your life, one day at a time, but make it happen. The purpose of this video is to understand that time is a healer. It really is. With that, stay strong, stay happy, stay healthy.